Did you know that you could connect USB devices to your ESP32-S3 boards? Like the mouse I am using here to control the cursor. Yes, ESP32-S3 boards have a built-in USB host support, which support a variety of devices like mouse, keyboard, gamepads, and even USB flash drives, which allows me to do something like this. This is a very small operating system that I made for the ESP32. It is not a full operating system, but it supports a few USB devices and has some apps for demonstration. But what kind of devices will it support? Watch till the end to find out. ESP32S3 boards support the USB interface on pins 19 and 20. If your board has these pins exposed, you can connect a USB connector like this directly to these pins. But most boards do not expose these pins. Instead, they are routed to the USB port on the board. This actually makes things easier for us. Now all we need is an OTG adapter, and we can plug any USB device directly. I am using an ESP32S3 or commonly called Super Mini for this video. Now I'm going to test USB devices one by one. And first we need the USB host library. The GitHub link is in the description. Download the repo and in the Arduino IDE install the library manually. The example programs that I'm using here are on the Tech Talkies GitHub page if you need them. First is the mouse test. Upload the mouse test program. And I've connected a TFT display to the ESP32. Also, I'm connecting an external 5V power supply because we are using the USB port for the devices. Plug in the mouse, it gets detected and we can move it. And it even records the clicks with left and right clicks shown in different colors. Now that our mouse is working, I want to test a keyboard. So upload the keyboard program, connect the keyboard, and I should be able to type now. And I can even see the hex code of the pressed keys here. Next, let's check if we can use both the keyboard and the mouse at the same time. And before that, a quick shout out to this video sponsor Avon.
Avon provides a structured solution for prototyping and production. For new users, the platform includes up to $60 in welcome credits along with a free engineering review. This includes $30 in manufacturing credit, $30 for shipping, and the free engineering review itself. With this, you can do a lot of things like PCB prototyping, making PCBA orders, or even engineering-driven jobs. You simply have to sign up and verify your account, and you can start uploading your design and start placing orders.
And to connect the mouse and keyboard together to the ESP32, I'll be using this USB hub. Mine has a USB-C connector, so I don't need the adapter anymore. I have connected both the devices to the hub and connected the hub to the ESP32. Now we can use the keyboard and mouse simultaneously. I am actually surprised how there is no lag even with the two devices working at the same time. Let's see if we can push this a little further. So I'm going to test out a USB flash drive. Upload the example code for it. And I already have the mouse connected to the hub. And when I connect a flash drive, it should be detected automatically. It is detected and we can see the folders. I was able to read the root contents of the drive, but for some reason the contents of the folder would not show up at all. I have tried everything. Let me know in the comments if you know how to fix this. But we have the proof of concept. We are able to detect USB flash drives and browse them. And finally, I have made this demo operating system to show you guys the possibilities of this amazing feature. It is not a full operating system, but technically we can have a mouse, a keyboard and a storage device which already brings a lot of possibilities. There is a calculator, a file explorer which is currently under development, but technically if you have an SD card connected with the SD card module, you should be able to explore the files, and even a mini bird game. Let me know your thoughts on this feature and how we can use this, and comment some ideas for the operating system, and see you in the next one. Keep making.